Safely say one of the pieces of camping equipment that we've appreciated most in the last few years are these rechargeable fans. They just have incredible battery lifespans. This one is one of my favorites because it encompasses so many of the features. So this one has a timer, which is nice because even though they have long batteries, you might not need the thing all night. You might fall asleep while it's running. This one, as you can see, has been oscillating. I have the oscillating feature turned on. It has 4 different modes for the fan, and then it has the light as well. What's neat about this one is on the side here, you have a remote control. So it's not only a remote control, but it's incorporated into the unit, so you're not going to lose it. You can turn the whole thing on and off from the remote, and then you can set all the different options. You can turn it back on, have the fan running, turn the light on and off, and then get the rotate running or the back and forth going as well. These are handy around the house. We use them all the time now, so I buy more and more of these. They're handy as a lantern. We've always used those camping, but with the feature of having a quiet, powerful fan, these really push some air. These are really nice to have around the campsite when it's hot and when it's cool, because it keeps the heat running, moving around your tent as well. And then, like I say, they're also handy to have as your lantern. This one is charging right now, and then once it's fully charged, it can charge other devices. Hope this helps. That's why I bought this one. It also comes in a bunch of different colors, this model.